Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox my nail kit that I'll be using. I just bought the basics. Like you can see, I bought the lamp and it has an extension that you can use. Yeah, and then you plug it to electricity. After you plugged it here, and then the other part you are going to plug it to electricity. When I start using, I will show you. And it has 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 1.5 minutes. Apart from that, I bought acetone. You use this one to remove your jaw polish, and this is the small bottle that you can pour in your acetone. It's not only for removing your nails, but also maybe you have splits, maybe you were doing your jaw and then there are some parts that you need to remove. You use this brush, you dip it into acetone, and then you clean around the edges. So yeah, that's that about the acetone, the small cup, and the blush that I bought. And then this is a nail clipper. I don't know what they call it, but when you put your extensions and you think they are too long, you can use this to cut. We'll see as time goes because this is my first time to use. So this kit, it was cute. I just found it useful. To my knowledge, I just thought that I can use it when I'm removing my jaw polish. Yeah, I'll put it like this, but then underneath there should be a cotton that is dipped into acetone, and then you cover with this foil. You put foil first, and then you cover with this. We are going to get into it with time because it may look difficult to explain and understand, but as we are practicing, I will still keep repeating that. Okay, this is for so, this is for so other small things that I bought, I just put them in one package because I didn't want it to be a messy place. This is the buffer in the file. Yeah, so I just bought three so that I can use it whenever I need. And I also bought nail glue. This is the normal one that I bought. I bought a nails extension, gel nail extension that I'll start with. I'll start with the very basic. I'm not going too hard. Remember, I do not have any experience. This will be my very first time doing it. So I was just buying things that I thought they are just a bit basic and necessary. Yeah, so this looks like I've seen people putting this thing on their toes when they are doing pedicure. So yeah, it was in a pack. It came with this cuticle cutter. This is a cuticle cutter when you are preparing your nails, uh, for you to be able to apply gel and whatever you need to cut your cuticles. What we are going to get into it. These other things like this one, a blush when you buff your nails and whatever, and then you just blush to take off the stuff. But this thing, I really don't know the use of it, but with time we are going to learn because it was just like a pack of, it was just like a set, as you can see, all the paper stuff. It was a set. With time, I'll know how to use it. I do not know how to use everything, but I just have basic knowledge. This is the gel nail glue that we are going to be using. And these are the basic stuff that I bought. I bought top coat, base coat, cuticle remover, cuticle lotion, nail primer, and this is the hydrator that I bought. Is for prep. They call it prep, preparations of the nails. So normally you have to use a dehydrator and then nail primer. After that, you put your base coat. This is the base coat that I bought, and then after that, when you're done with your nails, on top, when you do your, when you already apply your gel nail gel, you put now your top coat and everything else. The cuticle um, oil, you use it just to soften your cuticles. So I was so interested in this thing. I think it's e-filer or whatever. I don't know what they call it, but this one you use Batley's. I was just curious and I just liked it. That's why I bought it. But I believe I'm going to be able to see how I can use it. But honestly, believe you me, I just bought it. I just have basic knowledge, common sense. I was using common sense to buy most of these things. So I just thought that this might be useful. I think it's e-filing or for e-filing or whatever, because it has options that you can use. So with time, we are going to know how to use it. So this is all about it. I think now I've covered all the basic stuff that I need to use in this journey. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I believe and I know that you are also going to buy your own stuff to start using.